Hello, today we are going to tour the Pop Century Resort. This is another one of those larger than life resorts where they decorate big and bold. Over here, this is the front of the resort, and it is decorated in the 1950s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. As you can see over here, this is where you would catch your bus, but we are going to go ahead and go into the main lobby from here. All right, we'll start off with the 1950s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and the 1990s. Coming up into the main lobby, they have a golf cart out here on display. It's a golf cart that is it's made to look like a 50s car. That's pretty cool. As soon as you walk in, over to the right, they have like a little waiting area there for kids that shows movies. Over to the left is your concierge, where you can do all of your check-in. Moving forward again with the walls decorated here. And then straight ahead, everything pop, shopping and dining. It's set up pretty much the same as the Art of Animation Resort. So over to the left is where you would get on the Disney buses when you get down here. They have the DVC club there where you could decide if you want to be a DVC club member. And then here is the Everything Pop. And then out this way would be it takes you straight out to the main pool area. They also have an arcade over to the right and restrooms. So we will go ahead and take a quick look over in the gift shop area.
You want to?
And then straight ahead is the dining area, and that is pretty much just your typical resort, moderate resort fare, food fare. This is what they have probably every day. They do have some cute desserts though. Okay, here we are in the 70s era of Pop Century. You can tell by the mood ring and those platform shoes that they have up on the building. Some dancers there. And it says classic 70s. Here we have a gigantic foosball. Mickey Mouse telephone over there. And check out this Big Wheels. I thought the Big Wheels was from the 80s, but I guess it is from the 70s. And this is the biggest big wheel that's ever been. Look at those pedals. That's funny. Back into the giant foosball. And then there's Mickey on his phone. Very cute. Okay, we have left the 70s behind, and we are now headed into the 1980s. LA hosts the Olympic Games, and Americans win 83 gold medals. In 1984, Michael Jackson's Thriller became the biggest selling album in history. We are met with Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head as soon as you get into the 80s area, along with 2 giant Rubik's Cubes. I never could put those Rubik's Cubes together. I used to peel the stickers off and try to make them line up that way. It's not the way to do it. So here's the Rubik's Cubes. And then, let's see, going into... these guys to go by. Look at all these magnolia trees in bloom. Those are pretty. They smell good too. Okay. We have Pac-Man on the side of these buildings. The little ghosts. I don't know what these falling guys are. What's that? Natural. No, these people. I don't know what. Oh, break dancing. That's what that is. And then big old Roger Rabbit to our right. Oh my gosh, that's funny. And then who could forget the Sony Walkman? Over there is the 80s pool area. Definitely not as big as the 60s pool. To the max, it says. Wasn't it supposed to be like grody to the max? Another look at the pool. Definitely not as crowded as the 60s pool. And we'll check that out again when we head back. Okay, we're rolling into the 90s here. And the big prop is this laptop computer. I hope they have more stuff for the 90s because that's, yeah, the internet. This is my favorite era. Big old laptop. And over there it says hip hop. Keep it real. I don't remember ever saying keep it real. Let's go this way and see.
Rubik's Cube.
Oh, that's back to the Rubik's Cube. I would think they would have more stuff for the 90s than just this. They have rollerblades, CDs, and that's it. Weird.